What up, people? I got something special for you. This ain't no unboxing. It ain't no go-getting. It's a feature of sorts. Hang tight right with me. You'll see. Well, well, well. What do we have here?
This the Acura resident?
Yes, sir. Sure is. Look at who we got here. You got a special delivery? Look at here. We about to get down to it. Told y'all we had something special. So we got Brian from Crushers Creations. Him and his son slipped by. His son's gonna be the future of the company. Y'all just don't know it yet. But we got a special delivery. He's saving on some postage to bring me what I think is his new fall one. But I'll find out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get cranking in this. So I'm gonna go ahead and point this out real quick. A lot of cats out there doing unboxings, a whole lot of them. But how many cats doing unboxings with the owner sitting right next to him?
That's right.
And he got a hell of a backhand, I heard, so I got to be careful. But anyhow, you'll know, if it's garbage, I'll still say it anyway. I mean, he ain't that fast. I'm pretty fast.
Yeah,
anyway.
If it's garbage, I want to know.
Oh yeah, I'll tell you. This stuff ain't garbage. It ain't never been garbage. All right, so we about to bust up into this. In front of Brian, Mr. Crusher Creations himself, on the special delivery. Dang, cuz. Just like it was being shipped. Let's bust into it. Oh, there's a lot of stuff in there. All right, we got a card. Got a card. You know you get that Crushers Creations business. Oops, Crushers Creations business card. Thank you note. Rob, thanks for everything, bro. Hope you enjoy. Brian. Super cool. Let's see what we got up in here. We got a couple things. Let's go with some oils first. What do we got, Brian?
I had to make you work for it, man.
Yeah, you made me work for it, all right. All right, so, this is Absinthe? I believe this is the new one.
Yeah,
I don't know, it's
the new one.
probably not going to focus because we got both of our big heads in here. But that's the Absinthe new one. Let me get my nose on this. Bro, really? You even shrunk the tops? Did you know you were bringing them?
That was a last minute thing.
Let's get into the new Absinthe. I got Absinthe, and I know this changed.
I can't make it easy for you.
No, Let's see what's up. Man, that's nice. That's nice. So if you guys haven't had Absinthe before, Absinthe was a little stronger. The first one was a little stronger.
Yeah.
Is this got a cologne base to it now?
A little bit.
What changed in it that you can tell us?
I just added some different notes to it.
Yeah, I like that. I like that Absinthe. That Absinthe before, if you haven't tried it, man, it was great. This one's really good. It almost smells almost like...
It has all the old stuff plus new stuff.
That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. So there's Absinthe. Let's see what we got. What is that? I don't even know what that is. Okay, let's go to this one.
I know you love bubble wrap.
I do love bubble wrap. And there's a butter in Absinthe. Look at that new logo, by the way. The new label.
You like that little new logo better like that?
I do with the stuff back behind it.
Yeah.
What is it behind that? Is that that's the drink Absinthe, isn't it? Behind it. God almighty. So look, I've said it a million times. If there's anybody that's watching this video that has not tried Crusher's butter, just take a look. Just look at that gooey. It's so good. And that even got an improvement, a slight improvement.
Yes, all the products from now on will have hemp seed oil in them.
Hemp seed oil. I think the very first one that you made for me that had hemp seed oil was Java Jolt. Yeah. And I instantly noticed the difference. I think before he ever told me, I'm not sure if he told me or not, but I instantly noticed the difference in how like a boost in silkiness in my beard. I know it sounds funny and all, but man, it was a lot softer. So hemp seed is really, really important to me.
The mixture we
now.
already have plus the hemp seed, it really makes a big improvement.
That's what's up. That's what's up. It makes it super, super soft. Yes, sir. I'll show you this one. Let me go ahead and get this plastic off first. Damn, bro.
You love that plastic, don't you?
I hate it because everybody goes at it with their teeth, and I'm trying to chew for the rest of my life.
I'm gonna put 2 on next time.
No, don't do that. I'll have to be pausing the damn unboxing. All right, so this is the new one. This is the brand new one. Probably won't focus because there's 2 heads, and hey, it did for a second. Fall Fantasy from Crushers Creations. It's the brand new one. Now, I smelled this one a while ago in development. Can't even remember, but I'm sure it's changed since then, hasn't it?
A little bit.
A little bit. All right. The new fall scent, Fall Fantasy. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Let me see. A festive blend of warm apple cider, a splash of pear, that's what I smell, and everyone's favorite fall scent of pumpkin. So, warm apple cider, pear, and pumpkin.
Plus.
Plus?
Yeah.
Plus what?
I'm not telling.
Oh, well, you know, he always got secrets in there. You don't ever tell nobody. There's some copycats out there.
They're gonna have to buy it to find out.
No, that is nice, dude. So I like pears. That is pear forward-ish. It's really, really nice.
Once you get it out, it opens up more.
You know what? Let me do that. Do me a favor so I don't screw that up. Boom, 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 boom.
It's kind of light in the bottle, but once you get it out, it kind of opens up.
Damn, there it is. Man, that's nice. It's fruit, but it's not fruity. That's really, really nice. That's a really, really nice fall scent. That's perfect. I'm digging that. That's gonna be really nice and beard. And unless you got something else in your back pocket, this is the last thing.
I know you don't like bombs, so I ain't bringing none of it.
I've not been using bombs very much lately. I've been all about some butter. What's behind that?
It's trees, but it's like fall trees, the tops.
Oh, I got you. Fall Fantasy. We wrestled with that name for a little bit. I threw him a bunch of suggestions, and of course, you know, he does what he wants. Let's see what that butter's like. And that butter's just as equally strong as the oil is. Look at how pretty that is.
It just set up today.
God, that stuff is so pretty. Ain't nothing prettier. So there's been a couple times I've went to Crusher's house to get some new stuff where he had just made it. And it ain't nothing prettier to me than his butter right when it's starting to set up, like right when it's just gotten to its good solid state to where you can actually turn it and move it and it doesn't move around. Man, it's so pretty and glossy. Dude, thank you, man. I appreciate that. I really appreciate that. Check out Crusher's Creations Fall Fantasy, brand new one coming. That's going to be released, what, next Friday? Yeah, next Friday. Check that out. And I'm trying my best to talk him into making a couple that I really want, even if I've got to do them in customs. But I've been to the lab. Super duper dope setup he's got. He definitely knows what he's doing. Came from humble beginnings as just a reviewer. If you guys didn't know, he was reviewing products on his front porch for the longest time, and I think that probably makes a great base for someone that makes their own products, because they already kind of know what they like, know what they don't like, know what works, what doesn't work. He's nailed the butter. If you haven't tried it, please try it. Prices are real cheap. What am I missing? The new website. Please check out the new website. He used to be messing with an Etsy store, which, I mean, Etsy stores work, but it's tough.
Well, they can order from the Etsy still, but from the new site as well.
I got you. So you got 2 sites open?
2.
Wow. Ballin'. 2 sites. This dude's got the best products around. 2 websites, and he's sitting on my front porch, and I didn't even have to take a backhand. Nope. Anyhow, y'all, thanks for sitting and watching watching us do this, man. I appreciate it. Y'all check out Crusher's Creations. Thanks, Brian. I appreciate you, bro.
No problem, man.
All right. Y'all be good. Take care of yourselves.
Later.